Good morning, y'all. What's going on, everybody? It's Florida Bro Will, Florida Bro Fishing and Outdoors Games. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be fishing with one of our YouTube subscribers. His name Mark Darling. Dude seems pretty legit. He hit me up about a week ago. He was like, man, you know what? Thinking about doing some fishing this weekend. How'd you like to fish? He said, I got a nice sized boat. Check. He said, I just got some work done to it. Got another engine added to it, so now I got two. Check. He said, I just want to go fishing. Take for a spin out in the bay. I said, let's do it, Mark. So we finna go up here and get us some bait. I'm gonna try a variety of difference today. We finna head and go get some filler crabs right now, and then we're gonna meet Mark at the dock. So y'all stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's up, man? Y'all got you got some fillers in? Yeah.
Watch my language, I'm so mad because I had to drive way over here, Alabama to these Alabama boys. Don't give me some damn crabs. So we finna pull up the grades. Go ahead and holler at my man. See what he got for me, man.
Gotta go ahead and graze, man, and get us some of these old frozen crabs. Morning, brother.
Hey.
Told me you got some of them frozen crabs in here?
Yeah.
Let me get a thing of those. How many come in there?
We just fill up the
Fill it up. Yeah. There we go, guys. There was one saying that there was once a saying. Here goes nothing.
I don't even want to look at that corner of that dock right there where I ripped my leg open. God almighty.
Goodness, how did you do that?
On the front of this boat here, there was some trim work that had been left over.
Yeah.
And I slipped and hit it, and it cut me there and there. I bled like a stuck hog. I mean, I split right open.
All right, man. So we're headed from the lunch. Headed out here to the bay. Maybe stop by the 3 Mile Bridge and check it. Just do a little channel check to see if we can find those sheeps. So yeah, man, on this day, it was one of the warmer days, so I kind of had suspicion about that. Water was a bit rocky, not really windy at all, but like I said, temperature did rise a bit, so let's go see what happens.
Gotcha. All right, I'm in neutral.
All right. Yeah, let me just go right here and tie these guys off, man. Wouldn't want them to float off on me. You can straighten on out. Straighten out. Y'all coming aboard? No. Oh no, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
Stay. Yeah. Well, shit. I do got to get my poles on. Shit. Know how much fishing I'm gonna do without those? I'm coming aboard.
Coming aboard.
Coming aboard. Alright. Oh. Sweet. Let's get it.
Alright. You guys go ahead and start rigging up. I'm gonna take care of all this extra.
Hey, that's why it's called fishing, right?
Yeah. Yep.
And not catching.
And I've got a couple of these things rigged up for like popular rigs and stuff. Will they get that too?
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, sure.
All right, real quick, we got fire extinguisher in here.
Okay.
Life preservers here. First aid kit up in the front.
Cool. All right.
That's about it.
Shit, that's all we need,
Oh
man.
yeah, and something happens to me and the boat breaks down, you better call fucking Sea-Tow.
All right.
Sea-Tow.
Cool.
If not, you call Boat US, you're fucked.
I got Boat USA, so
Okay, Boat
so
USA,
so we can
okay.
call either.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah. Unless something happened to me, then y'all fuck.
Oh, shit.
There you go.
All right, let's get fishing. Back out here again, man. Y'all see what's going on? I got some little issues going on right here, right now. But we out here with these fillet crabs, man. Right under the 3 Mile Bridge. We're gonna see if we can get on them. We're gonna see if we can find a few. So I made drop after drop after drop, searching for these convicts. And as always, they're being convicts. It's kind of hard to find them. We didn't get near nibble on sheepheads anyways. I don't know, man. Maybe it's the temperature. I can see I dropped. Went to another side of the pylon, dropped nothing. I just tossed out this. I think I got him. Tossed out this little cut bait. I think I might have a little trout on. Yeah, it's a little fella. Something we can use. I got a little fella. Something we can use for a little cut bait. Little guy right here. Pretty cool. Yeah, man. At this point, I kind of just gave up. I was like, forget it. Let me re-rig. Do something different. Tried the trout, and it turned out to work just fine. Still, we can go back in here and try to get us the number 2. But we're gonna use that guy for cut bait, cause there is no regulation on sea trout. Excuse me, white trout. And I'll fish with sea trout. See if we can go get one that's worth a sandwich down there. I think I got another little guy on. I'll get this little butter up on that good. Yeah, I see him down there. God dang, these guys are small, dude. I net them. That's right. I love sardines. Yeah, we hooked that joker right there on his mouth. As soon as he's about to swallow, just jackknife his ass. Alright, got our bait back again. Let's try to go back at him. I mean, you could just come down this under this bridge, man, and catch tons and tons of white trout, all sizes, big and small. Oh, look like we got action on this other pole right here. Uh oh, this one's getting hit already. This one's getting hit already. Something's definitely messing with that that big old slab down there. We just gonna wait till this thing go off. Got him. This one feels like he may be a little bit bigger. He might be a little bit bigger. I don't know. Did he let go? Yeah, he let go. Let's get back out there. Alright, so you guys, what are we using to catch these trout? Well, we're using trout to catch these trout. For those of you who want to learn how to catch trout, I'm just using this little sheephead jig right here, man. What I like to call it. Stick it right up through there. It'll come out there. So you got a little pedal on the end. And hey, that'll catch you a fish. right out there. Good to me. Yeah, let it drop down to the bottom, because these trout, they hang around on the bottom, man. It's so cold, and they just try to get down there, find somewhere to burrow up down there together. And when you find them, you pretty much stay on them, because they all be bunched in together. So I mean, of course they migrate and they move around. We get hit. But like I was saying, of course they migrate, they move around, but most of the time when you come fishing, you have enough poles, enough line to cover all of this area up in here. You can cover all of that area with just one trout, and I mean, it can turn into hundreds quick. That might be a good one. He's a little fella too, but better than the last one, that's for sure. That's a dude. What you want to do, man, as soon as you see them biting, these trout, they gonna swallow that bait, man. They're gonna swallow it. So you want to just set that hook, it's gonna end up right there in the corner of his lip. Okay, I can see. And you can bring him on in. Let's get it. I think it's kind of cool, but kind of messed up at the same time that these trout, dude, they eat their next of kin. Can you believe that? I can't imagine it eating my cousin. I bet it tastes like shit. Bunch of little guys down there. Well, damn, I couldn't get no live bait this morning. Nobody have none. So I bought some that's some frozen filler crabs. Yeah, I bought some frozen filler crabs this morning, and shit, they ain't well, I had a couple nibbles on it. When I reeled him up the last time, his whole back was tore out his ass. Yeah, but I figured I didn't feel anything hitting it, so I thought maybe it was probably a pinfish or something down there. Cause them little fuckers will eat any damn thing. Yeah. I'll tell you what, it's a hole right here, man, cause I just threw that shit down there and this motherfucker already getting tore up. I wonder what it is. I hope he eat that motherfucker, swallow it, so I can bring him up and see what it is. Oh yeah, he ain't going nowhere now. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere now, bitch. Got your little fucking ass. Hopefully it's a ground mullet. He hit like a ground. Oh, another little trout. Oh, he bigger than them other ones I caught over there. Yeah. I'm wearing them out, Mark. Yep, got him. Yeah, this one right here probably a little guy. Oh shit, he dug a little bit. Oh no, he a little fella.
I was up there, this damn phone up and trying to check the damn tire. I gotta go get the damn tire looked at. I believe it's a nail in it.
Oh, for real? On your car?
Yeah. And I went in.
Fish on. He a little tiny. Oh yeah, he a nice little guy. Nice little booger. Caught him reeling in on the reel end. Yeah. That's the reason why I've been on the phone. I'm gonna need the bucket up here, man. I'm starting to make a mess.
They gonna need fish about like Like 30, 45 more minutes. No more than an hour.
Huh?
I said, you ain't gonna need to do no more than an hour. You get a bit, bam.
Oh yeah, you know what I mean? So
Yeah. That's the whole purpose right there, though.
yeah.
Yeah. I can go kitchen.
Alright, y'all, let's get back out there right in the middle. Right along this grass line, right along this sun line right here is where they really hitting decent, and there's some nice size ones on this side, on the east west side than it is on the west side. So on the east side. So let's figure it out down here. See if we can go down there and get some ground money. Alright guys, so we decided to try to head off to Massachusetts, which we didn't really make it too far. One of the engines, port engine in particular, started acting irregular, so we decided to just turn around and go back in between the 3 Mile and the old fishing bridge, for those of you who are familiar with it. Let's see what happens over here. There's fish down there. I can feel them. Either they running through it or they.
They're just eating you alive.
Yeah.
It's small stuff.
Yeah, they small.
Don't put this on TV.
Wow. That's the redfish we was after right there, guys. My goodness.
Anybody want this for live bait?
Definitely gonna be a good live bait.
I think, Mark, you left that dirt magnifying glass under the transducer.
Hold on a second.
Look big.
Oh, yeah. This house right now.
That's not right. That ain't right.
What in the hell? And you mean tell me we can't catch a fish, dude? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Well, anglers, that wraps it up for today's video episode. I really hope you guys like this video of me doing what I love and have a passion for. If you did or didn't, please leave a comment below and tell me what you think about it. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. And please don't leave without hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you smash that notification bell to be the first to receive good fishing content from Florida Bro Will. And again, thank you all for watching, but you guys know what time it is. Tight lines. Catch you next time.